Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the audio and preparing it correctly. Pick a short 0. 5 to 3 second clip so notifications stay unobtrusive. You open Audacity or any editor to trim silence, normalize peaks to avoid distortion, and export at 48K HZ for consistency across devices. Once done, name the file clearly so you don't upload the wrong sound. Make sure the format is WAV or high-quality MP3. Discord and device integrations respond best to uncompressed or properly encoded audio. Next, you choose how to apply it. A server bot can play a sound for everyone, while a local client mod changes only your machine. For bots, convert to 256 kbps or uncompressed WAV, then upload to the bot's hosting storage or attach the file to a message the bot can access. For local tweaks, you'll either replace an asset in the client's resources or use an automation app to play the file on events. Be careful with client replacements because updates can overwrite changes. Finally, configure triggers and test thoroughly. If you used a bot, set event bindings so the sound plays on message or mention. If local, map client notifications to the file path. You must test at multiple volumes and environments and tweak normalization or add a tiny fade to eliminate clicks. If nothing plays, make sure file permissions and paths are correct, the format matches expectations, and clear the client cache or restart the app. Those steps solve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.